Hi, this is Liz Bears with Tech Time, and today I'm going to show you how to create a data sheet to track your use of accommodations with your ESE and MTSS students. I've opened an Excel workbook here, and now I'm going to set up a data sheet. First thing I want to do is name my document, so I'm going to click on the title and name it Bears Data Sheet. Notice this document saves automatically. Now I'm going to adjust this layout of the sheet. When clicking in the corner, I can select all the cells and adjust the size of each cell. I'm making the size so it fits my dates, and I'm moving the first column over to accommodate the information. Here I've added some information, and I've made the holiday in yellow, put dates across the top, and grouped the weeks together. Now I'm going to add some borders on the side so you can kind of see the weeks a little bit easier. I like this border tool, and I like to choose one side. Now I'm going to add the accommodation drop-down windows. I begin by selecting the cells where I want the drop-downs, and then click the data header and data validation on the top ribbon. In the Allow box drop-down, I'm going to choose the value list. Now I'm going to add U for used the accommodation, a comma, and then the letter R for refused the accommodation. I'll click OK. Now, whenever I want to record a student's use of the accommodation, I click in the square next to the accommodation and the date, choose the drop-down, and choose whether he used it or refused it. If I make any mistakes, I can just click in the same square, delete it, and choose the other one. And it saves automatically. Now I want to show you another way to record observation data. I'm going to add some goals for my student, and then I just want to make a weekly observation of his progress toward his goals. So I select the cells, and I'm going to merge those cells together. Now I can type in there and say how he is doing with participation. Pretend student Billy has several goals that he's working toward. So I'm just going to add a few goals, and I'm going to copy and paste the formatting that I add in so I don't have to keep doing each week separately. I just Control-C copy and select the area where I want the format, and Control-V to paste. Now that I've got my data sheet exactly like I wanted, I'm going to copy this quarter and make another sheet for next quarter. Right-click and duplicate. When you duplicate this sheet, it duplicates all the things you've already got set up. All the little drop downs are there. Everything is there. And then I want to rename the quarter to quarter 4. Choose rename and right-click again to change the color. I want a nice blue color for this one. Drag quarter 4 behind 3. Now I have a quarter 3 and a quarter 4 data sheet. When it's time for me to share this document with my ESE coordinator, I choose the share button at the top right corner, and I want to choose people in Okaloosa County with the link in view. I don't want them to be able to edit, so I'll apply, and I can add in my ESE coordinator's address here, or I can copy the link and send it to them in an email. I hope you enjoy using data sheets. Thanks for watching. Liz Bears with Tech Time.